So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are going to talk about Andre Onana. Onana, indeed. This guy is absolutely trash. And at fault again for 3 goals last night. Not just his fault, but this goalkeeper, literally, it's a sinking ship. I can't lie. Right, this guy is out of his depth. And even just shot straight at him. They just go in. Like, what is? When our goalkeeper said that he can't concentrate for 90 minutes, I ripped him to Smith. Like, I ripped him to pieces. This goalkeeper can't concentrate for 90 seconds, let alone 90 minutes. Anyway, before we get into absolutely dissecting this goalkeeper and Manchester United's performance last night, make sure you are smashing the like button up for me. That'd be great. Make sure you are subbing to the channel as well. Come on, guys. You can do it, guys. Yeah, let's fucking go, guys. You can do it. Yeah, it's a disgrace, guys. I feel embarrassed, guys. Not even 22K. Come on, guys. You can do it. Let's go, guys. 21,510 subs. Let's go. This may be my last video for a day or so, depending on how I feel tomorrow, because I'm about literally 45 minutes from now, I'm having a wisdom tooth ripped out. So pray for me. What have I got myself into? I am absolutely... Yeah, literally. Never had one out before either. So, yeah, I'm not looking forward to this. I can't lie. I'm kind of hoping that they say they can't do it because the gum's still inflamed. But we shall see. But, yeah, make sure you are liking the video. And, yeah, let's talk about this Onana guy. Man United in the Champions League this season. Wait for it. Wait for it. Manchester United have conceded a whopping 14 goals. 14. They have got a negative goals tally in the Champions League. They have scored 12 and conceded 14. In the Premier League, it's equally as bad. They have scored 16 and conceded 16. So they have now conceded 30 goals in 2 competitions over 18 games. 30 goals conceded in 18 games. Boy, that's without the League Cup. This is unbelievable. I can't lie. Yeah, I don't think I've seen a goalkeeper at a big club as trash as him for a very long time. A very long time. Because every time I see this guy play, and listen, Man United were cruising that game. Well, I say cruising. Man United never cruising. Not under this manager they got now. But when it went 2-0, you're thinking, right, well, that's the job done then. They're through. They're going to go through. All they've got to do now is game manage it, see it out, don't do anything stupid. And then, Onana steps up, yeah, on his knees. Yeah, but again, I don't necessarily just blame him for that first goal. Right? I think he's got to do better. But there's 2 men in the wall. You've got Man United wall. You've got 2 men stood next to it. And then you've got 2 Man United players next to that. Why didn't one of them idiots or one of these idiots, yeah, just come and stand in between or behind the 2 Galatasaray players? Because it was quite obvious they were going to split and that's where the ball's going. And Ziyech didn't even hit it that hard. Yeah, unbelievable. Yeah, it's just basics, man. You learn this when you're a kid. Like when you're 5, 6, 7 years old. Surely there's coaches out there that are coaching 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-year-olds that are telling them if there's a 2-man in the wall, yeah, one of you stay there at least. Like, unreal. And the second goal, oh my God. I reckon my daughter would have saved that, and she's 14. I reckon my daughter would have hit the ball harder than Ziyech as well, because that was just embarrassing. That's got to be one of the most embarrassing goals I've seen this season. Yeah, and he even felt embarrassed to celebrate. Like, unreal. And then the third goal, yeah, just put it wherever you want, mate. Yeah, just put it wherever you want. Yeah, look, oh, what, you want it there? Cool, we'll put it there then. Like, he just don't have anything about his game. At one point, he was in the centre circle doing Cruyff turns. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? When they went 3-1 up, yeah, I was thinking, okay, they've won then. Yeah, 2-0, 2-1, now you're 3-1 up. Cool, now you've won. But this is the history of Man United. It's the history of the Man United under this manager, that this guy, I'm sorry, but I don't know how he's still there. I can't lie. How has he still got that job? It's actually baffling. And if you look at their fixtures, they got Newcastle away on the weekend. Then they got Chelsea at home. Then they got Bournemouth at home. Then they got Bayern Munich. Yeah, good luck. Then they got Liverpool away. How many is Onana conceding at Anfield? David De Gea conceded 7 last year. Hey, it could be more. It actually could be more. I can't lie. Because the way Man United are playing, you know you're going to get chances. You know you're going to get a lot of chances as well. I mean, Galatasaray could have had a few more, albeit Man United could have. Then they got West Ham away. Then they got Aston Villa at home, Boxing Day. And that West Ham game's 2 days before Christmas Day. Then Boxing Day, they've got Villa. And then 30th of December, they've got Forest away. Then FA Cup kicks in. And then the next game after the FA Cup in the Premier League, Tottenham at home. Then Wolves away. And then we're going into February. But yeah, this is crazy. I can't believe it. Like, honestly, I genuinely cannot believe how many goals this team are conceding. It is actually shambolic. Right, 3 goals against Brighton, 4 against Bayern, 3 goals against Galatasaray. Unbelievable. 3 against City, 3 against Newcastle, 4 against Copenhagen, 3 against Everton. Oh, sorry, they scored 3 against Everton. 3 against Galatasaray. Like, literally every single week, they're conceding 2, 3 goals, 4 goals. It's mad. It is actually mad. And listen, they're in a good run of form, whatever that means. Well, they've won games that they should win, beating Luton and Sheffield United. They should win them games. Yeah, it's not like they're convincing. It's not like they're absolutely whacking teams to smithereens. They're not. They're getting by, just. Yeah, and Ten Hag's up for manager of the month. Who's rigged that? Yeah, Harry Maguire is up for player of the month as well, by the way. Yeah, the PR is strong for Harry Maguire, I'll tell you that much, because that guy should be nowhere near player of the month. Nowhere near. Yeah, that is actually mad how he's even in the conversation for player of the month. Oh, but Lee he had a good run. Unbelievable. But where do Man United go from here? Because I said that Ten Hag would get sacked in October. He's still there. I said he'd get sacked in November in the international break. He's still there. Is he getting sacked in December? How long do you go with this, Man United? How long do you go? This is big boy Man United. How long do you go before you say enough is enough, mate? Because you can't keep getting whacked up. You can't keep letting leads slip. You can't keep having poor performance after poor performance. You've got a 5 times Champions League winning centre back sat on the bench for Harry Maguire or Lindelof. Like, I mean, come on. The whole club is a mess. Yeah, and I think people are pinning their hopes on this Jim Radcliffe guy coming in and turning everything around. What's he going to do? Like, real talk, what is he actually going to do? Because from what I'm seeing, that club needs a lot more than just Jim Radcliffe coming in and shaking a few positions up in the boardroom and in like the training ground, and you're sacked and we're bringing this guy in. Like, yeah, that's all well and good, but it's more than that. You need a proper structure on the pitch. Yeah, that guy's got no playing style whatsoever. Yeah, he doesn't know his best 11. Yeah, he's making weird substitutions. I know Amrabat was booked, but why are you taking him off? Yeah, McTominay, I know he scored. Why is he starting? Harry Maguire's playing every week now. Like, it's baffling. It is actually absolutely baffling. Yeah, and the thing, all that this has done is take it away from the fact that Garnacho scored again, the fact that Bruno scored a banger. Yeah, and both of them goals were quality. In fact, McTominay's goal was good as well. Nice little breakaway that was. But again, after scoring the screamer at the weekend, yeah, everyone's like, can Garnacho kick on? Can he do it again in the next game? Can he do it in Galatasaray? Scores the opening goal straight away, pretty much, like in the first half. And you're thinking, right, this kid might just have landed. Yeah, let's see if he can carry on. And then them idiots mess it up again. It's just actually funny. I can't lie. It's funny, but it's sad. Yeah, it's funny because it ain't my team. Yeah, but it's sad because it's big boy Man United. One of the best teams I've seen growing up in my life. One of the biggest clubs on the planet. And look at the state of that club. Look at that absolute state of them. Yeah, it is crazy, man. It is crazy. But listen, what do you think they're going to do in December? Because them games they've got in December, that is looking peak for them. I can't lie. I don't see where they get a win. Yeah, I mean, West Ham ain't going to be easy. Newcastle's definitely not easy. What's they got? Where are we? There we go. Chelsea. I mean, the mid-off. Bournemouth. You'd go, yeah, that's a win, but really? You only just scraped past Luton. Do you know what I'm saying? Liverpool, well, that ain't a win. You ain't getting nothing out of that. Aston Villa on Boxing Day. Good evening. Good evening. And then Forest away, where they've lost one of their last 25 games at home or something. It genuinely is looking peak for Man United. I can't lie. It is not looking good for them. But let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comment section down below. And make sure you smash the like button. Now, what do you reckon to the goalkeeper? Where does he rank in worst goalkeepers in the Premier League era? He's got to be up there. He's got to be up there. Let's just have it right. He has got to be in that conversation. He's got to be in the top 5 for sure. Like even now, and he's been here what, 6 months? Crazy, actually crazy. In fact, 4 months. August the season started. Actually crazy. But yeah, smash the likes up. Subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. Leave your comments and super chats down below, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. But like I said, in about 40 minutes from now, this is coming out. So yeah, and hopefully it's going to be easy to take out because it's broken, it's cracked, it's like falling away. So I don't know whether when they try and put it out, it's all going to crumble and that. I don't know. I'm not looking forward to it. Wish me luck, people, and we're out of here. Adios. Go and check out the stream I did with Saeed and Flawless earlier as well on the other channel, and the fan cams from last night. Go and check them out because we actually smashed Lons 6-0, and this guy was super happy about it. Anyway, I'm out.